Action! Say their name and tell.
This is Danny. Dan Fielding. There.
Tell her what she likes.
Huh?
Say that she bites a lot.
What?
Say that she bites a lot.
She bites a lot too. You bite.
Get another kitty. Oh wow. Wow. Danny, cat dog. Her nickname is Cat Dog. Or Dan Fielding Cage. Whichever. She is looking for another one of our cats, so don't worry about her while I just eat some popcorn. Elloit should be in my room. Take the can. Boo! I'm throwing popcorn at her.
I got Elliot.
This is our other cat.
This is their sisters.
Yeah, they're sisters. They're born in the same litter.
Why is it popcorn?
I threw it at Danny. This is Elliot.
Elliot's about to run again.
She's about to burst. There's our fishies. Then there's my mom and my sister. Yes, that's very true.
I cannot find black and white ones. Turke was eating. He's not there no more than he is. He's hiding somewhere else.
Shook him to the table.
That's what he likes to call.
A lot.
When you're not here, he comes out when you're. I don't understand.
Because he hates me.
He's out when you're not here.
No, because you're big mouth. That's why you don't come out.
My black and white cat doesn't like me.
No, that's because he doesn't like you.
Danny, Elliot, my fish. Fishies. Oh, shut up.
No, you shut up.
Oh, you shut up.
Come over here and make me Junior.
Don't say Junior. I don't kick you there. Ow! I kicked you there before.
Yes, I know.
Get out of the video.
Ow! That's gonna hurt me.
She found my cat.
It was in the litter box.
Oh, that's TMI. This is our other cat. This is our other cat.
Yeah, named Turkey Stinks.
Turkey.
Turkleton.
So we got 3.
Bratzilla.
Elliot, Danny, and Turkey. Those are all 3 of our cats.
Hi, baby kitties.
And peace out, people.
Son.
And whatever she said. Boom.